What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. During the lockdown period, we have been covering a lot of restaurants around us in Noida. I'll give you a link up here. The playlist is called Noida Food Guide. Unfortunately, a lot of restaurants have closed down, but fortunately for us, a lot of small joints have opened up in Noida. Because of the pandemic, we cannot really drive down to Delhi and eat from restaurants or try street food from Delhi. But fortunately for us, we can bring all that flavor of Delhi to Noida. So today's joint, when you hear the name, I'm sure you will recognize the name. But before that, just see this visual. So today we are going to try Chole Bhature from Radhe Shyam Chole Bhature. This is a famous joint in Paharganj near railway station in New Delhi. This particular joint in Sector 18 in Noida was started about 2 years back. I met Rishabh who runs this restaurant and he said his Dadaji started this restaurant. He says his Chachaji runs the restaurant in Paharganj near railway station. Because of the pandemic, we didn't prefer eating at the food joint in Sector 18, so we have packed it nicely. The restaurant was kind enough to pack it nicely, and here is my packet. We have got 2 more such packets, so let's quickly unpack and see what is there in this packet. So we have unpacked everything and we have got food in front of us. These bhaturas were quite fluffy when they came out of the hot oil, but after packing they've kind of flattened down, but that doesn't matter, they're still warm. A good looking chole in front of me, nice brown color, and I'm sure they're cooked well. I can get the fragrance of the chole here. And this gajar ki achar or pickled carrots, the green chilies. There are plenty of green chilies. They've given about 4 or 5, and some hari chutney, green coriander chutney, and the onions. The sliced onions are there. This is a great combo. A lot of people give amla pickle also, amle ki achar. I really like that combination. I think we had tried that in Nagpal in Amar Colony, Delhi. If you have not seen that video, I'll put a link right up here. So let's straight away dig into Chole Bhature. Let's take the bhatura, just see the inside of the bhatura. I want to show you this because there is little bit of paneer inside. So I'll take a piece of this bhatura. Little bit of that beautiful chole. The chole, they are very soft, mildly spicy, and it's got a rich taste. I'm really loving this. And these bhaturas, they really complement the taste of chole. This is excellent, the chole. So let's take one more bite. My mouth is so full. But with this onion slices, the taste like doubles. It's really good, superb stuff. I'll also take a bite of this green chili. Not very spicy, but this combination really works. The chole bhature, the onions, and the green chili. I want to tell you many more things about chole bhature, but before that, one more bite. Excellent chole bhature. I have tried to find the origin of chole bhature. Some people say that it originated in Punjab, some people say Delhi, and some people mention that it came from Uttar Pradesh. But I have no clue. I only know that it's hugely popular in Delhi and surrounding areas, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh also. I've eaten plenty of chole bhature in Punjab, but in Delhi, it takes chole bhature into another level. If you know about the origin of chole bhature, where it originated or when it originated, please let me know in the comments below. And which is your favorite chole bhature joint in Delhi NCR? Write to me again in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. More eating, more chole bhature. I really cannot stop eating this chole bhature because it's quite addictive. This time I've got a piece of ginger also. Let's also taste this gajar. This gajar is quite nice because the taste of the mustard seeds, the pungency kind of hits you, and they're very crunchy. They're not like soggy pickle. This is fresh pickle, and this gajar is extremely fresh with lot of that aroma and pungency of mustard, sarso. Really cannot stop eating this chole bhature. So do try Radheshyam chole bhature in J25 Sector 18 Noida. You won't miss the chole bhature in Delhi. We have one option in Noida. I hope you have liked this episode of chole bhature from Radheshyam chole bhature. We'll be bringing you more food, more wintry delights in January and February. So keep watching Chomping Champion. If you have liked this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel Chomping Champion. Also hit the bell button for the notifications, and you will receive notifications on Wednesdays and Saturdays. That's when we upload the videos. Also check our website www.chompingchampion.com. Follow us on social media, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And stay safe and stay fit. And we will catch you during the new year.